Hey guys, it's me Ren, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of some medals I got in the mail. I'm going to unbox it with a dagger because why not? There we go. I forgot to bring a knife up to my room, but I have a dagger here, so let's see if this will cut it. Oh, this is too dull. Bro, this dagger is dull. There we go, we'll just do this. Just stabbing it with a dagger. Yeah, but why is that? There we go. My dagger actually cut something for once. I'm just gonna rip it now. This dagger kind of sucks, to be honest. Yeah, I was gonna unbox it with a dagger because that would be cool, but wasn't able to because the dagger absolutely sucks. And then there's another thing inside of here. Oh, wow. They did a really good job packaging it. Honestly, I love it when they do a good job because I know my coin won't get hurt, but then it's so annoying to open because it just is packaged so well. Is there another package in this package, or is this, am I just doing this way wrong? I don't know what I'm doing anymore. And it's packaged in another thing. Oh my goodness. And I can see it. Oh my goodness, it's so little. Get it, come out. So I got a platinum 1/10 ounce koala coin from the Perth Mint. This is the 2023 design. It's a first year. Oh my goodness, what is happening? It's not focusing on the coin, so I'll get a better shot in a minute. But it's a first year release of the 2023 koala. It's the first year that they started doing koalas again after, I believe, 1988 in platinum. 1/10 of an ounce, so about like 3 grams of platinum. It came in a capsule, which I'm so happy about. It's so little and cute, and I really love it. This cost me $118 when I bought it. I love it. It's so like cute and little, but the queen's on the front, and then koala's on the back. In 2024, they're going to put the king on it. So it's the last year with the queen on it. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the platinum unboxing. Make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and share this video with all your friends if you're new to the channel. Also, guys, stay tuned because I'm going to be buying a lot more platinum thanks to Platinum Beast on YouTube. So, yeah, this is piece number 3 of platinum that I own. My goal for this year is to stack 5 1/10 platinum coins, which is half an ounce of platinum.